Hey everyone, Serena B here, and I'm back with a haul video. So yesterday, a little road trip to the States, and the closest state to me is New York, so we went to Plattsburgh, and they have a Hobby Lobby there now. It opened last summer, so I'm really excited, and I have a Hobby Lobby haul for today. So everything was like 50% off, so everything I got was pretty much from the Paper Studio. So let's just get started. Start with Target, because the only thing I got there was this roll of washi tape. It's really pretty. It has black, and then there's like silver scattered polka dots, and I love that. It's really pretty. I really wanted the Stargazer collection for a couple months now, and they only had the 4x6, which I'm so glad because at least I got something. However, I really wanted the 12x12 as well because I wanted the 12x12 for projects, and then I wanted the 4x6 for Project Life. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through. I'm not sure if you guys seen this or not, but it's so pretty, and it has holographic foil. I love astronomy and outer space and astrology, so like this is so up my alley.
And my favorite planet is Saturn. It's so cute. I love this. So there's 4 of each. And it's like a marbly kind of galaxy looking type of thing. This one. The moon. So pretty. Like sometimes the collections do this. It's really tacky, but I don't think this one's tacky. I really like it. I like how I can work with these patterns. They're very soft. Like look at this. It's so pretty. Very usable. This can be like a beautiful title page card or something for a month. And these are the moon phases. I absolutely love this, and it's also holographic. Love this one. This one's okay. The unicorns, kind of cute. It doesn't really go with the whole theme on unicorn paper, but it's still really cute. This one's so pretty, so soft. I love this one so much. It's so pretty. This one's really cute too. I like this one as well. Very marbly kind of look, like a crystal. I love that. Black and white stripe, well, black and holographic stripe. I mean, come on, that's so me. I love it. And this is like one of my favorites. Isn't this gorgeous? It's holographic foil, and I can't wait to use this in my travel album. I mean, I don't know if it's a map or a sky. I don't know what it is, but it's so pretty. I think it's like a map, and then I just embellished it. I don't think it's like a constellation map, but anyway, whatever. It's so pretty, and it's gonna go in my album.
I got this paper pad. My friend Danny had shown me, and I thought it was really cute, and it matches my Summer Babe collection pretty nicely with the pinks and the blacks. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below.
It's textured cardstock, so that's pretty different. Like this matches my collection really nice. So I thought like this would be cute. Look at the pink bananas. I thought this would be cute, and this is, again, I keep getting interrupted. This is good for, I keep interrupting myself. This is good for my trip. So I thought this would be really cute to do like a flip mail or a tie book or something, or like a pocket letter, because it matches really nicely, and I thought it was really cute. I don't know if I'll ever get around to doing that, but I think it's cute for that. I like this one. It says blah blah blah. Totally can use it for Project Life. These are really cute. Patterns are not too, like I said, tacky. I like this one. This can be used for Halloween, honestly. Look at the flamingos. These are so cute. Like layered together. You know? Let's see if I can do this. Like, wouldn't that make an adorable card? Oh, I want to make a card now. I just want to get crafty. This one's pretty as well. This one's cute. So yeah, I like this one. I really like this pattern design. This one's pretty too.
Some of the loose paper and vellum. I got 2 of these patterns. Oh, so just black, white polka dot. Love this one, so I got 2. I thought this would be really cute for like, I don't know, I just see like an intro, like a title across here, or maybe like a layout on it. I'm really excited. I should have got more of these, to be honest. So I got 4 of these heart vellums. They're so pretty. They're like hand-drawn little hearts. And then I got 2 of this rose pattern. I think it's so beautiful. Again, I envision like a title or something across it. I don't know. We'll see. This could even make really pretty envelopes. Or like, ooh, a cover of a mini album, you know? Like you make like a traveler's notebook or something. Oh, it's so cute. I really love that. And then I got 3 of the maps. Because, I mean, come on, look at it. It's pink, teal, black, and white. It's just so me. I love it. And I thought this would be really good for my travel album. Moving on, I got some of these marble envelopes. They're really freaking cool. I love writing letters and stuff in my Project Life, and this would be great to put the letter for the month in, or even decorate for Halloween. I think it's pretty because they're marbles, but they're like veins, right? So we could totally do something like Frankenstein style or Halloween-y, whatever. I got some more paper bags because I'm a paper bag fiend. These are the 3 styles that come with it. There's only 1 of this. I got the last pack. I really like the black and white with the flowers. So pretty. So next I got this stamp set, mostly for the sentiments. I love Believe in Magic, the You're Magical one. I like the little star that says Be Yourself, and yeah, pretty much it. The stars are cute. I never noticed the little cloud is cute. I don't know if I'll use the unicorns all that much, but they are very cute. Maybe this one's really cute, so I'd like to watercolor this one or like stamp it on a watercolor background that you make. And I'm thinking there's like this trend going on, instead of making ATCs, which artist trading cards, people are making artist trading circles, and I think that's really fun. I love making ATCs. If you guys follow me for a really long time, you know I was on a whole mixed media kick for a long time, and I have art journal pages and tutorials and ATCs and all that stuff, and I really miss making it and playing with paint. So I want to make some artist trading circles, and this would be really cute to use on that, especially these two together. So I might do that. I don't like this rainbow. Anyway, so that's the stamp set. Then I got these from Flea Market Fancy. You know, it was really good. I'm surprised, because usually I go crazy and everything's on sale too, and I only bought a few things. Like, I'm really surprised at myself, which is good. I'm growing. I'm no longer buying useless crap. And then I got lots of Aqua Stickers, because I just didn't have enough, and I'm being sarcastic. I got these mint ones, and then these gold, like light champagne gold. I really love this color. I wish they made champagne gold and everything, because I don't like the yellowness of gold. It's too much sometimes, so I really like these. And then I got these because they're holographic. Look at them. They're silver holographic, and then this is rose gold holographic. I mean, that is rare. Where are you gonna find that, you know? So I thought that was really cool. And then I got these stickers. They were supposed to be full price, but I noticed at the end that she like put them half off, which I'm so grateful for. They're so pretty. They're pink with chunky pink glitter. I've never seen these before, so I had to pick it up. I got this Pebbles roller stamp. It was $4.99 on clearance, which I think is an amazing deal. I don't know how much it is usually, but because there's no before price. But you can write whatever you want. And there's sometimes where I'm working on my project life and I have like a sentiment or like a sentence that I want to write in my head, and I'm looking for it in the tiny word stickers from Tim Holtz, and it doesn't exist, or I'm looking at it in other tiny word stickers that I have. So now I can make my own and just cut them up if I want. So I can stamp my own sentiments, and I thought this was really cool. I'm excited to see how it works. I hope it stamps really well. And then lastly, I got trim. I got this rose gold doily kind of trim. It's metallic. It's really pretty. I got the leaf trim that everybody's been getting, but I got it in silver because I just thought that the gold was way too yellow. I didn't like the look of it. But I'm like, oh, I should just bought both. This is my haul from Hobby Lobby. I did really well. Usually I spend a lot more, but props to growing and being shopping wise and knowing to just get the things I know I'm going to want to use instead of just buying stuff to buy stuff. And Halloween is just around the corner, so I'm going to be saving for that. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd like to hear from you guys. Let me know what your favorite item or favorite thing that you bought from Hobby Lobby recently. I'd love to chat with you in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I'll have them linked at the end of this video, as well as in a card and down in the description box. There's always so much more to see. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and let me know how your summer's going, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys!